smoke signals. Now, what
Right.
I'll sometimes ask you, put another tool in your box. If it's early in the day and the problem with an early in the day bracket that's not going to touch, and remember, the only side of the bracket that counts is the one you're going to pay or get. The other side is just wishful thinking. But if you're not to a point where the brackets might touch, the plaintiff's bracket, the bottom of the plaintiff's bracket might not touch the top of the defendant's, I'll sometimes say, do you want to make that bracket an incentive over what you would otherwise do as a hard offer? Because sometimes early brackets will get no response. They'll say, well, that was a conditional offer. I reject it. It's their move. And I'll say, okay, so we don't have to get into this business of who's bidding against themselves. Do you want to say, I would go to X, which is going to be a smaller number, but I will give you door number 2, and if you'll come up to Y, I will then drop to here. So I'll have a either or for an early bracket. There's no need in doing it late in the day, but say, okay, do your regular move that tells them what you think of their case, so we've got a hard number to fall back on. But give them an incentive bracket that says, I'll move this to here if you come from here to here. And that's real information. And then it gives them a little, because, you know, we all like choices. That's why there's 17 different kinds of the same soap. We like to make choices. It empowers the other side. They get to pick door number 1 or door number 2, and you don't run the risk of losing the round. So just something to think about.